and the kettle lead I guess will just fit into there. And I guess let's have a look how that fits together. So I've just unpacked the kettle lead which I showed you earlier, and let's just see if that fits together okay, and we move on to the next thing. So here we are, we've got the two parts there, standard kettle lead here. So we just plug the two together. There we go, that's fairly easy. I'll just pop that to the side. Okay, what else do we have here? So a nice little soft package here. I think this looks like a pen stand holder. Okay, yeah, so you've got a little holder there, kind of glossy, quite nice. It's weighted so it kind of sits quite nicely like that, kind of weighted on the bottom. I think this might open, but I'm not sure. I'll try anyway. Okay, oh yeah, okay, so that opens, and kind of you've got a range of different pen nibs in there. I'll just hold this behind just in case that gives you a bit better clarity. So it's got the Wacom brand on the side there, and the pen tips in there. So I'll just put that back on. I don't lose any of those. I don't think it screws, I think it's just a nice tight fitting. Okay. Okay, we've got a range of little washer type things here. I'm not sure what they're for. There's a red, a grey and a white one in there, just small plastic washers. We've got another little case here with a little, I thought it was metal but it's not, it's a little plastic piece like that, and kind of 4 holes, little recess for 4 screws, which I guess we found earlier. I guess we're going to be doing something with that. I haven't read the instructions, so then what I think we have is a pen by the looks of it. Okay, that looks well protected. Got 2 little piece of cardboard tube there. You've got 2 little plastic end caps to protect it. Then we've kind of got another plastic sleeve. I think they could save some money on the cost of packaging if they removed all of that. So a little plastic sleeve there, and a very nice pen, kind of rubberized grip. I guess the other grip is a replacement for that, or a larger one. We've got kind of the eraser on the end, just there. We've got a switch here, the regular switch, 2-way switch there. Let me show you that. You can see it glistening in the light. Then you've got a standard black point in there, so you can kind of get an idea of what that's like. Okay, yeah, it feels very nice, feels very reassuringly expensive. Of course, which it was. Right then, let's see what we have next. Some more packaging. So that's in the box just on top of the display. So I'll just take that out. Then we're almost down to the display, so let me just do a little bit of rearranging here so we can make a bit of space. Kind of, this is almost there. So I've got the display out. I'm just going to move the stand to the right for now, and the box to the right for now, so we can see what we've got here. So this is kind of the main piece. I've just lifted this straight out of the just lifted this straight out of the box here. So as you can see, we've kind of got a cable coming from the back of the monitor, and that is fixed in there, so let's hope that never has to be replaced, because it looks like it's well into the back of it. Then we've got a nice length of cable coming out of there. If we uncoil it, I guess that's a full arm-to-arm span. So I guess if I held that out, that could go between two arms. I can't get that on camera, but that's probably about, I guess, 5 feet of cable, I would imagine. And on the end of the cable we have that I guess proprietary power connector. So I guess if we plugged our power in there, let's have a look, let's have a quick test. The power's not plugged in, but let's see if they fit. So the adapter we put together earlier, that looks like it would plug into there. Haven't read the instructions here, so okay, yeah, that seems to click into there nicely, went in very solidly. I'll just undo that. Okay, and put the power supply down for a moment. Then the other connector is a familiar USB. And the final connector looks like some sort of DVI or whatever that format is these days, I never know. Pull all of that off there. So let's have a look at what we've got going on here. So I can just take some of the protective stuff off here, kind of rips it a little bit. It's very delicate material. It's kind of white foam protector with a little bit of packing tape around it, so we can just undo that and undo the other side. So I guess I'll show you what's in here. So the display is actually inside, and we've taken a lot of time to actually protect things. So on the surface here where my finger's pointing down, there's another sort of cardboard protector which was on the front of the screen, and then if I lift the screen round, kind of you've got a piece of yellow card over the front of that, and it's got tape over the sides. Let's have a look at what the back looks like. A few of the connectors on the back there. We've got a DVI VGA button, an up and down, I don't know, I guess that's brightness, and then an enter and a menu button. We've got a little bit about what this is all about on there. Lamp contains mercury, dispose of properly, better be careful there. Risk of electric shock, don't open. Great. I'll just go and get my screwdriver and we'll have a look inside. No, I'm joking. Okay, and then I guess we've got these touch strips at the side here, which are for altering various things like brush parameters or whatever you want to configure them to vary. You've got one of those on each side on the back here, so you can just easily alter things when you've got them plugged in. Now I have to tell you, I'm getting a little bit out of breath here because I'm holding this up with my arms in front of me. Damn, that's heavy. Okay, so let's just move this packaging out of the way. That was the white paper, the white polystyrene type material, and the cardboard which was covering the front of the screen. It does seem that everything's been packaged very nicely. Okay, so then let me get my stand. I'll just put that there for a moment. Okay, power switch and LEDs, where are you? Okay. So I guess we've got something like this.